Good morning students and parents. Welcome to Standard 1 Mathematics revision class. Today we are going to revise the topics we have already learned. The first topic is repeated addition as multiplication. Multiplication or multiply means to add the same numbers repeatedly. Write the repeated addition as multiplication. The first one, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times 2 is written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. 5 2s are 10. Next, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times 4 is written? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. 4 4s are 16. Next, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. 5 5s are 25. Next, 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many 3s are there? 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9. Next, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Next we will do multiply. 34 multiplied by 2. First we will do 4 2s are 8. 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 68. Next one, 5 3s are 15. 5 you will be writing here. 1 will be carrying over here. So 3 3s are 9. Plus 1, 10. So 105 will be the answer. Next, 5 6 are 30. So 0 we will write here. Plus 3 will carrying over here. So 5 4s are 20. Plus 3, 23. 230 is the answer. Okay. Next is find the product of. Number 1. The product of 2 and 9 is 2 9s are 18. Okay. Next, 4 into 4 into 0. The answer will be 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. Next, 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 7 5s are 35. Next, what is the product of 9 and 3? 9 3s are 27. Okay. Next, 5 multiplied by 9. 5 9s are 45. Okay. Next, 4 times 4. 4 times 4 means 4 multiplied by 4. That is 16. Okay. Our next topic is measurement of length. The smallest unit of length is millimeter. Millimeter will be written like mm. Okay. Now units conversion. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. And 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay. So millimeter is written as mm centimeter is cm, meter m, kilometer km. Okay. Now let's do some examples. So 5 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. So 5 into 10. So it is 50 millimeter. Okay. Next, 10 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So 10 into 100. So 1000 centimeter. 1000 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. Next one, 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer is equal to dash meter. So 2 into 1000. So 2000 meter. Okay. Now next, 200 centimeter is equal to dash meter. So you have to divide by 100. So you remove these zeros. So you will get 2 meter. Okay. Now we move on to the next topic, that is measurement of weight. The smallest unit of weight is milligram. It is written as mg. Units conversion. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. And 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. And here it is written milligram as mg and gram g and kilogram kg. Let's do some examples. 2 kg is equal to dash gram. 2 into 1000. So it will be 2000 gram. Okay. Now 15 gram is equal to dash milligram. 15 into 1000. 15,000. Next, 20 gram is equal to dash milligram. 20 into 1000, 20,000. 20,000 milligram. Next, 10 kg is equal to dash gram. 10 into 1000, 10,000. 10 kg is equal to 10,000 gram. Okay. So our next topic is measurement of capacity. The smallest unit of capacity is milliliter. It is written as ml. Units conversion. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. And 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter. Milliliter is written as ml, liter as L, and kiloliter as KL. Fill in the blanks. 2 liter is equal to dash milliliter. So 2 into 1000. It will be 2000. 2 liter is equal to 2000 milliliter. Okay. Now 7 liter is equal to 7 into 1000. So 7,000. 7,000 milliliter. Okay. Next, 12 liter is equal to dash milliliter. 12 into 1000. So 12,000. 12,000 milliliter. Now here 3000 milliliter is equal to dash liter. So you have to divide 3000 milliliter by 1000. So you just remove these 3 zeros. You will get 3 liter. Okay. Children, I hope you have understood today's topics. All these will be uploaded on the school website. Practice and prepare well for the exam. Thank you and have a nice day.